what's up LNC fam, welcome back to another video. I just want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love, for all your positive comments, your feedback. You guys are just rock stars. So we got another project. Enough of this talk, let's go check out the new project. We got 2018 Ford Raptor built by Svc Offroad. We're doing custom fenders, custom quarter panels. So this thing's gonna look like a monster truck once we're done with it. So they brought it to us just like this. So we'll do test fit the fenders, make sure everything line up good, and we'll paint it, install it, and it should be ready to go. But yeah, custom suspension by Svc Offroad. If you guys need any kind of custom work on your truck, make sure you guys check them out. Same with the back end. This custom wheels, now we're doing test fitting the fenders, make sure gaps are good. We had to add a little bit more fiberglass to make the gap nice and tight. Same with this, we had to add a little piece. So we'll clean them up a little bit more, do a little bit of Bondo, and off to paint. And let's check this side, same with this side. Everything lines up pretty good. For aftermarket fenders, this is a brand new truck. So we gotta do a bunch of body work on it, make sure the panels fit good.
Hey Mario, Dimitri again.
So make sure the lights fit and all that good stuff. We're gonna paint it and install it back on the car. This is my dad, Ivan, working on it.
Awesome.
Should look like OEM once we're done with it. So we gotta make the lights fit, the back end, and all the good stuff. Our right left fender is all done. Time for primer. We fixed the corners. So this fender is ready for primer. And then the other fender, we're doing the fiberglass right now. Adding some up, somebody cut them too much so they don't fit. So that's the way we secure them so they stay in one position. But yeah, we'll add some fiberglass and then do a little bit of Bondo and it should be good to go. Alright, we got the Ford Raptor's fenders in the spray booth, primer prepped and ready for paint. Same with this one. Alright, fenders got painted for the Raptor. Time to install them. And here's the Raptor. So we're gonna install the two front fenders. And then the bed as well. We'll put it back together today, should be ready. Alright, the bed is all finished, painted, and ready to be installed. Tail lights fit perfect. Gaps are perfect too. Same with this side. Alright, we're finished with the SVC truck. Came out nice and clean. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys liked the video. If you didn't, sorry, sucks to be you. So enough of this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.